What is going on? It is the Obscurist Tourist, and today I come to you from the Big Easy. Yes, indeed, I am in New Orleans, Louisiana. Right here on Canal Street, I am headed down to the French Quarter. So I'll show you around some of the French Quarter, some basic stuff. We'll see what we get up to. Don't have a lot of time today, doing other things. Super Bowl 59 is happening in the city, so it's quite a madhouse. I've been here since Sunday. Things have slowly been ramping up, but I noticed a huge influx in visitors to the city today. This is Wednesday, so 2 days. And yeah, it's starting to go a little football mad. So I'll see what I can show you. Look at this, palm trees, palm trees. And here we are, Bourbon Street, one of the most famous streets in America. Heavy, heavy police and military presence here. Yes. What's that? So just as I entered this street, like I said, heavy presence, military and police. You can see behind me, all around me. Made me search my bag, or they searched my bag to make sure I wasn't carrying anything illegal in here. Just got camera stuff on me, my camera, my lenses. See that above me? There's a helicopter. Kind of wild. It almost feels like a military estate here. But I will say it's done one thing. It's made me feel very safe. There is nothing happening in this city without this giant clampdown. So pretty confident. We are just a few weeks removed from the tragedy that occurred here on Bourbon Street on New Year's Eve. Terrorist attack that killed 14 people. Still hanging heavy over the city. A big part of the reason why there are so many police and military personnel around here, trying to make sure that nothing happens again, and especially at one of the biggest times for the city, aside from Mardi Gras, is Super Bowl. All eyes on the city, so absolutely everyone's trying to make sure that it is as safe as possible. Giving you a view of Bourbon Street, the calm before the proverbial storm, as I say. Like I said, I was walking down here the other day, and it was basically just me. Now, still quite sparse, but more people have started to show up. Love these balconies, are very New Orleans.
Thank you. You want one?
I would love one.
All right. How are you today?
Great. How you doing?
Good, sweetie.
Thank
There
you
you
very
go.
much.
Welcome. Yes.
Police, more military over there, carrying their machine guns out in plain sight. Kind of makes me feel a little uneasy, even though it's for my safety, but still interesting nonetheless. Gentlemen's Club, Blaze. And Larry Flint's Barely Legal Club. Interesting that that's still open. Look at that. What's Bourbon Street without some huge ass beers? More military. You can see across the street. Literally police and military on every single corner of Bourbon Street and throughout the entire city. It's kind of wild. So it's been, haven't really gotten much opportunity to go out and film the past couple days because it's been overcast and a little bit rainy here. But today, very warm, about 25 degrees Celsius in the city. What a perfect time to get out and do some filming, see the sights and listen to the sounds. Again, still not a lot of people out in the streets, but that is very close to changing. This place is probably going to be a madhouse tonight. Of course, I like to film when there's not a lot of people around. Just this gives me a lot more space to do my thing. I haven't been in New Orleans in quite a few years, probably about 15 years. And I've been trying to figure out what hotel I stayed at. Drove in late at night, but this is it, 4 Points by Sheridan, right here on Bourbon Street. In the thick of it. Got a little traffic jam here. The boys in blue blocking me off. Tough sledding around here. Classic corner here on in the French Quarter. St. Peter and Bourbon Street. And check out this guy making sure that Bourbon Street is safe. Look at that guy, Mr. 5G. What's going on, bud? Really feels like a militarized zone. You can see right ahead of me there are literally military checkpoints at every single intersection on Bourbon Street. Kind of wild. Again, absolutely love the metal railings here and the classic New Orleans architecture. You can see just over there, right there, Jackson Square. Let's head on over, take a peek, see more military. It's unrelenting here. So one of my favorite old school things here in New Orleans are these little horse ties. I assume they're for horses back in the day or something, but all I know is that don't lock motorcycles or bicycles to this post. This is old New Orleans in a nutshell, and I love them. Look at these guys. Absolutely stunning architecture here in the French Quarter. That old church right behind that is the Mississippi. Awesome. Reverend Zombie's House of Voodoo. That wouldn't be Rob Zombie, would it be by chance? Couldn't be. More police presence, more military presence as you get further in, heading to Bourbon Street. Some Chiefs fans here, staying no doubt in this hotel on Royal Street. And what is New Orleans without a little voodoo? Not the kind of voodoo you're looking for, though. This is strictly just spirits and beer. Check this out. Got ourselves a little Bourbon Street friend here. What a beautiful little guy. That could be a girl. Ready to party on Bourbon Street. I really hope you enjoyed my little visit to the French Quarter here. Bourbon Street and Royal, Jackson Square. Seen a lot of things. Didn't see everything, unfortunately. Always time is my biggest enemy, but I showed you what I could. There is, usually I never really fully know a city unless I've been there 3 or 4 times. I've only been here, I think this is my 3rd time, but first time in about 15 years. So regardless, I hope you enjoyed. Got the lay of the land somewhat. For now, it is the Obscurist Tourist saying so long. Take care of yourselves. Stay beautiful, and until our next adventure. See you later.